There's no reason why you can't achieve this style even as a beginner. Even if you don't know what you're doing, you can get this style. Came out the box like this. I didn't cut anything in this style. I didn't add any of the layers. I didn't curl any of the hair. Yeah. The lace, amazing. In today's video, we are working with Ashimary hair. This is their peacock curl styled wig. It comes with the lace already cut, the layers already cut, the hair is already styled and curled. All you have to do is throw the wig on. And this can be worn gluelessly, but it does come with the lace tape attached to the ear tabs. So I did go ahead and install it that way, which made the process really easy. You just want to pull the tape, the blue side, off of the ear tabs. I'm using the tweezers because it just makes it easier. And then you're just going to stick them down. Very simple. You want to make sure you're pulling it just a little bit on each side so you have some tension and there's no lace rippling or lifting up at all. And to secure the middle portion of the lace where there is no tape, I do like to go in with some spritz spray, just some light hairspray and the hair dryer just to melt that lace in really good. I go in different sections when I put my makeup on my lace just to make sure that the lace is not getting too dark. So this is like the second time of me putting makeup on the lace. I'm going in with my darker shade. This is Ruby Kisses in the level 15. At first I used level 14. And like I said, I go in layers so I don't end up with too dark lace, and I just apply it until it starts to match. I'm not worried about going too much with it because I do not want that dark lace, like I said. For the edges, I'm doing these super wispy soft baby hairs. I do these normally when I do my synthetic wigs, and I just love the way that they come out when I'm doing like a natural style. And this wig just reminds me of a blowout or just like a silk press type look with the curls and stuff. So I wanted to just go for a more wispy natural edge look. So this is how I get that. If y'all want a more detailed tutorial, I can make one separate where I just explain it more, but I still showed the steps in this video. The wig does come with this side edge already pre-styled into it, but I chose to go ahead and just comb it off my face. I wasn't liking the way it was sitting, but it is really cute and they did do it well. I just personally didn't like it. I wanted to match my right side to my left side. I did not have to worry about restyling this wig at all, but I did touch the top of the wig and the side of the wig with the hot comb just to make sure it was laid down flat for me and the way that I like my wigs to look. Since this is like a really full wig, this wig is 250% density, 18 inches. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. And it is a full frontal, but because it's a really full wig, I just wanted to make sure that it was going to be flat and not bulky on top. I wanted to also mention that the part for this hair is to the left side, so the hair is actually falling to the right. I always forget to mention that on like side part type wigs since these are becoming more popular. And I'm normally like a wear my hair to the left type of person, but I've been switching it and been more comfortable on the right lately. So yeah, it's on the right side. I'm really in love with this wig. I didn't know what to expect. I never do with the glueless wigs. They're all truly glueless for the most part, but the pre-styling is not always to the expectation of what I hope it will be. So I really meant what I said when I said that this wig is easy and beginner friendly. I know that cutting layers are really difficult and most people have a hard time with them. This wig will save you all of those problems. It's really a good wig straight out of the box. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see y'all in my next video.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all talking ding. I be so bold myself, then you coming. I feel so ordinary, step when you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Shit about to worry about. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no standing with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this tab enough. I've been out, baby. I've been reminiscing.